In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a transaction on Vinted. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for so you can stop a purchase or sale before it completes, all from the website. First, open your browser and go to Vinted.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you see the right orders. If you use Vinted on your phone, these steps are very similar in the app, but I'll walk through the website for clarity. At the top right of the page, click the profile icon. It's the small avatar that opens your account menu. This menu is where Vinted keeps shortcuts to your listings, settings, and, most importantly for today, your order history. From that menu, click My Orders. This takes you to the hub that shows everything you're buying and selling. You'll see your ongoing activity as well as past orders. Think of this page as your control panel for tracking progress and, when allowed, canceling. Look for the In Progress section. This is where active transactions live, orders that have been paid for but aren't finished yet. Find the specific transaction you want to cancel and click it to open the details. This page shows the status, shipping method, and timeline, which helps you understand whether cancellation is still available. If the order is early in the process, typically before it's fully shipped, you'll usually have more flexibility. On the transaction page, you will see a cancel option when Vinted allows it for that order's status. Click Cancel to begin. Vinted may ask you to confirm or select a reason. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the cancellation. Once done, you'll get a confirmation in your account and the order will move out of the in-progress list. A few helpful notes to set expectations. The cancel button won't always be visible. If an order has progressed too far, Vinted may disable cancellation to protect both sides. Refund timing can vary based on your payment method, but in general, funds return to the original method once the cancellation is processed. If you used a balance or wallet, it will typically reflect there. Also, keep in mind that frequent last-minute cancellations can affect your standing on the platform, so it's best to cancel as soon as you realize you don't want to proceed. That's all there is to it. Go to Vinted.com, open your profile menu, choose My Orders, select the transaction in the In Progress section, and use the cancel option when it appears. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident managing your Vinted transactions.